So here's a quick tip on how to thread your jewel loom needle when you are using Wildfire. Now, Wildfire has a consistency that's somewhat similar to like dental floss. So it's really nice and sturdy. It's my most favorite beading thread to work with. But when you are trying to thread your jewel loom needle, it's a little hard to get into that little tiny hole. So what I do is I'll take my chain nose pliers, I'll take one end of the Wildfire and I'll smush it. And I'm just putting the pressure with the chain nose pliers to flatten it. Okay. Then I hold it in between my thumb and my pointer finger. And I'm going to take the needle, and hopefully the needle gods are with me. And I just place that eye. I know it's really hard to see. And I just slide it on. Thank you, needle gods. Poof, awesome. Okay, so that makes it super easy to thread the jewel loom needle with the Wildfire.